All right. Hi, guys. How are you guys doing? This is Genos, your head coach at G Code Fitness. I am here today to explain to you guys how Myfitness Pal works. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to count your macros and count your calories and how to log in some food. So, if you guys are having any questions, you just watch this video and it's going to teach you how to do it all. So, step one, looking on MyFitnessPal. There's a home button. So pretty much what we're looking here is pretty much the home screen, which has all these little things and these videos and little things. Nothing too crazy. So at the very top, it says your calories. Don't take this for granted. Everyone is different. I just have something random in my calories. So my goal is 2,000 calories, 400. And then it says food is 0 and exercise is 28. I logged in something that had me burn 28 calories. But yeah, that is wrong. So don't take these numbers. So the first thing we want to do is add our food. So we'll go at the very bottom here, bottom left, diary. We're going to click diary. And we're going to click add food under breakfast. Add food. So our very first meal today is breakfast, and I'm going to have a protein shake. So I'm just going to write protein, whatever it comes up, right? So strawberry protein powder, PVL IsoGold, right? And after you pick your protein powder, it's going to show at the very top left the calories. It's going to show carbs, 1.5 grams, and it's going to show fat, 1 gram, and 27 grams of protein. Serving size, it's 31 grams per the 1 scoop. So 1 scoop is 31 grams. Number of servings, it says 1. Meal, it says breakfast. And it says daily goals. If you actually bought premium, you could actually see your carbs, fat, and protein, your macronutrients down here. But where it says nutrition facts and you press show, you can actually scroll down. It says 120 calories and 1 gram of fat. Total carbs, 1.5 grams. And your protein is 27 grams. So we're just going to clock that in and say we're only having 1 scoop of protein. So at the very top right, there's a check mark. We're going to click that check mark. Boom. So now you see for breakfast, it says 120 calories and it's 1 scoop of protein. So we're going to go back and add more food. I like to have rice cakes, and I usually have 7 rice cakes with my protein powder for breakfast, my pre-workout. So 7 rice cakes equates to 315 calories, 63 grams of carbs, 3.5 grams of fat, and 7 grams of protein. Serving size, 1 cake. Number of servings, 7. Right? We could write 7 cakes if we really wanted to, or say, let's say we only wanted 1 rice cake. We'll just do 1. So 1 cake as 1 serving, it's 45 calories, 9 carbs, 0 fat, and 1 gram of protein. But we're going to change it and go back to 7. And then we're going to click check mark. There you go. So now our breakfast is 435 calories, 1 scoop of protein, and 7 rice cakes. Let's see. So for that breakfast, does it show the macros? The total breakdown? Let's see where it shows here. Right. So when we click on the goal at the top right, or sorry, the top left here, or you could actually probably click on remaining, the same, anything at the top, you can actually see your macros, right? So we, today, so far for breakfast, we're at 64 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat, and 34 grams of protein. Is there another way to do this? Is there another way that shows cleaner? Let's see. No, I think this is it. Unless you were to get, if you guys were to buy premium, then you would be able to see more. But this is pretty good. This is general, right? So that's only for breakfast. So let's add another meal. All right, let's go down to lunch. We're going to add food. All right, another thing for you guys to do, you guys can also scan a barcode. So you guys could actually scan anything. So here, I have hot sauce on my desk here. So I scanned it. Sriracha, 20 calories per 2 tablespoons. See, it's pretty neat. So then you can just go check mark. We're gonna add food. We're gonna have potatoes. One potato is 148 grams. So we're gonna do serving size. We're gonna do one, and we're gonna go check mark. So that is 148 grams of potatoes. That equates to 26 grams of carbs. Can you change this number? No, I don't think you can. So if we actually wanted to double it, we could just say 2, which would double that. So that'd be 300 grams of potatoes. We'll go back to 1. Let's search. We're going to do a search here. So we'll search actually potatoes as well. We'll do white potatoes. Oops. So we'll click the first one. Perfect. So now we can actually write different grams. So we got 100 grams. And then if we want to do, times 3 times 100 grams. So that will be 300 grams of potatoes. Interesting. So we'll do that. We'll clock that in. We'll get rid of the other one. So if you guys want to delete your section you had, so for potatoes, there's the second one here. You just swipe left on it and then press delete. And there you go. And then now we're going to add chicken breast. Boom. Chicken breast. 6 ounces of chicken. 1 serving of a 6-ounce chicken breast. It's 33 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat. And boom, we're going to clock that in. And pretty straightforward, guys. We've got our breakfast, 435 calories. Our lunch is 428. So this is how you count macros. Right? Whatever food you're eating, just type it in and you'll find it. So we'll click at the calories remaining. Now we're at a total of 122 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, and 72 grams of protein. So now whenever I tell you guys, oh, these are you guys' macros, flexible dieting, if you want to eat something, you guys can just take a look and just clock it in via bars, scan the barcode, or type it in, and you guys it should be easy. Very easy to count macronutrients. So whenever I say, oh, you guys need to eat, generic number, 150 grams of protein, now you guys know how to do it. We're already at 72 grams of protein in 2 meals. And if you want to eat 150 grams of carbs, you're at 122 grams already. So, I mean, it's a lot of carbs to eat within 2 meals, but some people eat more carbs, some eat less. And this is how you guys count macros. Pretty straightforward. And if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.